The Asus TUF Gaming FX504 follows the same recipe as other entry-level gaming laptops, but it's a couple ingredients shy of a good deal. It certainly looks the part with its black chassis and red accents, along with its red backlit keyboard that Asus says is extra durable, and it's cushy too, so long typing in gaming sessions won't tire you out as fast. On the other hand, the display on this $700 entry model is pure disappointment, with poor contrast and off-angle viewing and muted colors. Pricier TUF configurations offer better displays, but so do models from Dell and Acer at this model's price. You can always connect an external display and other peripherals, of course, but again, it doesn't have all that others offer, like USB-C or an SD card slot, which is odd with the entire right side open. As for performance, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU inside offers good enough gaming performance for old and new games at medium settings, but overall system performance is held back some by Asus's choice of a hybrid hard drive, but at least you can crack open the bottom and add more storage and memory on your own. In the end, this TUF Gaming FX504 has just enough to make it worth considering for entry-level gaming, but not enough to make it an easy choice at its price.